If business owner ka, you need to hate surprises. May nakausap akong business owner dati. May maliit na trading company. Kumikita naman sila, pero every time may emergency tulad ng late payment yung isang big client o kaya biglang nasira yung delivery truck, kinakapos sila agad sa cash. Bakit? Wala silang malinaw na idea kung gaano kalaki yung OPEX nila and wala silang strategy to control it. Ang plano lang nila, pag may extra, saka tayo magtabi. Ang problema, bihira dumating yung extra. So, we set them up with zero. Lahat ng income and expenses, real-time na nakikita. Nag-set up tayo ng cash flow reports, budget tracking, para kita mo kaagad kung magkano ang pwedeng i-park sa emergency fund. After 6 months, meron silang 3 buwan na worth of expenses na nakatabi na agad. Nung sumunod na may biglang repair sa truck, hindi na sila nataranta. May pambayad agad, walang utang, tuloy-tuloy yung operations. Kung gusto mong may peace of mind sa negosyo, wag lang puro sales ang tinitignan mo. Simulan mo nang i-automate ang financial tracking ng business mo gamit ang Zero para makita mo kung paano unti-unting nabubuo yung safety net mo. No surprises, just strategies. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.